What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Granary.
Today I'm in Michael's and I'm gonna be slime shopping, and yeah. Oh, I could get this for like organizing slimes, but like we don't need another big thing in our house.
Well,
Guys, look at they have so many pearls. But I don't really want to get rid of anything. Facts.
It's called utilitarian.
I mean, though that would kind of be good because I could put like glitters up here and then glitters and then clay and stuff like that. Alright, let's get to the point where we're here.
Foam rocket launcher.
That's not what we're here for.
Foam rocket launcher.
I don't want a foam rocket launcher.
Are you on the video?
I sure am.
Oh, look at that dog dead.
A dog died?
Dog dead.
Oh. Let's say, okay.
Look at yeah, we're all set.
Dad,
Let's go.
no, Dad. Not while we're here. Although,
I like this color.
these are, ew, that looks,
Fun scent.
ew, it says, it's cheese scented.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Oh, it's like pimento cheese. Look at this one though. Watermelon.
Emma has that one. Susan, this sounds sweet.
Piece of cake. Don't you know this is confetti?
Doesn't.
It isn't?
No, it's slime, Dad. It's.
But it smells like confetti cake.
It does.
Huh?
Yes. Right now.
Mint chip?
Now.
Mint chip?
Now. Now. Okay. Guys, I'm looking for glue all. And they have regular glue here. That's not gonna do it. Ooh.
You can get
Well, that's
there's some gift cards there.
gift cards. What's the point of a gift card? Can't you just...
Oh, this is Mother's Day. Send them.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta do something for Mommy and Nanny. And Grammy.
Grammy, Nanny.
Heather.
Oh, yeah, Heather.
Heather.
She's a mom.
She's what?
She's a mom. Nanny's a mom. She thought I said she's a bum.
I thought you said she's annoying.
Oh, no. She's running with me. She's gonna run the 5K. Alright, so I'm looking for a certain type of glue. So, yeah. Alright, let's go look for that certain type of glue. Guys, some girl at my school goes here and, like, I mean, is like here right now. It's kind of really weird. Oh my god, my dad's being really weird. You guys can see they have glue, like regular glue, down there. I think I was gonna get the glue. I did, like, not get glue. Sure, could say I could do for everyone. A lion. But wait, would that really
I still
happen?
think a shark would be worse because you can't even think about running.
No, it's so scary.
Water's dark and the shark swims so much faster.
That's why I hate the ocean. Clay?
Get away and all of a sudden.
Ah! Okay, can I get a pack of clay?
Where's your little? Don't you have a little bag?
Oh, yeah,
Don't
let me
they have
go
a little
get one
bag?
of those.
So you can get your cup? Like a facilitation bag?
I forgot about that.
Do they have one?
Yeah?
Oh, there's your old thing.
Oh, that thing?
Oh, good. You know what you want to
Yeah, I actually do to carry big batches of slime.
Well, no, but I was thinking more people get clothes and...
I feel really weird. Oh, containers. Containers.
bracelets.
Those are light up bracelets. Okay, we need a lot of containers.
We do?
They're 99 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll settle on 5. 5 containers.
Oh wow, it's all this?
It is. Now we need to go to the back of the store.
Oh my god, these are all hangers.
Alright, now we need to go to the back of the store to find fishbowl.
Fishbowl?
No, not a fishbowl. I think I have a fish.
You said fishbowl?
Yeah, it's like fishbowl beads. Guys, look at all these containers. Good.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look at the hand.
I have.
You got 12?
Yeah. Alright, now we're going looking for fishbowl beads. You get distracted very easily. Yeah. Fishbowl beads. Fishbowl beads are back here. Fishbowl beads are $10. Fishbowl beads are too expensive.
How much?
$10.
Oh,
And we've already fishbowl beads. You put them in slime and it feels like really cool and stuff like that.
Do you want one? Because I can go grab you one.
We've already spent $10 though.
I don't care. Just...
Really? All right, so we're getting fishbowl too.
Honestly.
Now, we only have 3 more things to get, and they're at Target.
They're not here?
No.
What's it? What do you gotta get?
Glue at Target because the glue there is cheaper, and then I have to get like the neon food coloring at Target, and then there's like other stuff at Target. So, yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yep. Alright. Catches my eye. Let's see if anything catches your eye. Wood. Paint. They have paint here, but like, you can look at the paint here. They have a lot of paint. So there's a lot of paint.
These are all specialized brushes and stuff, huh?
Yeah. I need a yellow because I have some plans with the yellow.
No, this is
Oh my god.
Is that the paint you get, or you get something different?
I get little bottles, but that would work too because it's so many.
Yeah.
No, but look at this one. What is that?
This
The
one?
$3.97.
I don't think it is. I think it just got moved over.
I can just get the little bottles because I have like ideas for certain slimes.
One of these?
No.
No?
Mm-mm. And then I have an idea for this one. So probably like this color blue. All right, we're done at Michael's, so that's what we got at Michael's. Whatever. This thing needs to come out. Whatever. How do you do that? Okay, thanks. Now to check out. Shoes. To tie-dye them, see?
Money. that with slime? You don't have to tie that slime, see?
You can. It's called avalanche slime, where you put like a colored slime and then a clear slime like together,
Oh, yeah?
and it like mixes. It's really cool.
You don't need any of this stuff?
No.
What is this, already pre-made slime?
Yeah, but it's like bad.
It's what?
Bad.
Sure you got everything through here?
Positive. Alright, so guys, look, people are here under it. Imagine if you had hair like this.
Huh?
Imagine if you had hair like this. No, it wouldn't. My God, it looks like a real dinosaur head. Ew, look at it. Oh. There, you don't want to get eaten by that.
Let me get this one.
Okay.
Hey, good, you?
Everything okay?
You did, yeah. You guys want these anywhere special?
Yeah, put them there. I can put them at the front, wherever.
All right.
I'll put
Grab them later.
You grab the bag and I'll take it. Ship them?
We do. Yep. Are you a rewards member with us?
No.
Okay. So,
Delaney, do you want me to get a contact?
yeah.
Okay.
Your phone number?
Yeah, it's just a phone number. You can put it right into the pin pad. Yep. Ask Jackie.
Too much.
Every day?
You too.
So, guys, we just finished at Michael's. And the bag is so heavy because the filler beads, fishbowl beads.
Can I just grab my orange soda?
Sure. Wait, you don't want to carry it and get like a cart at Target and like carry it.
No, it's better not to walk with two bags from a different store.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Then you're like, ah, where'd you get that, watch that. And then if it has a barcode that somehow gets into the system and then rings that stupid bell like that, they'll be like, oh, I gotta check it, where'd you buy it, blah, blah, blah.
So, it was successful at Michael's. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 things down on the list, and we need 1 to go. Well, pens. Come on. So, yeah. Interesting chat style choice. I know. He was like walking out with his Converse. Speaking of Converse.
Right? Chuck T's. Are you keeping them nice?
Yeah, you know why it's named Chuck Taylor's?
Hey, just to put in the NBA.
No.
There it is.
No, that's not why.
Wow.
It's because, so this salesman was named Chuck Taylor and he sold Converse and he was such a good sailor, they named the, seller.
Salesman?
Salesman, so they named the shoe after him. Ew, who's this?
Or was he a sailor?
He-
Or a seller?
He was a salesman, okay? All right, I'm on my way. I want to walk. Yeah.
Good stuff, huh?
Here.
I gotta get some.
Okay. So now we are going to go to Target, and yeah. If this video stops in like a random point, I'm sorry because the camera is almost dead and
Your mom ever go in the dress bag?
actually no, she doesn't like go in it because like I don't know, she like doesn't like something about it. I don't know. Gotta run. Remember, I fell on one of these. And I did like a flip, you know?
You did?
Yeah. It was great.
When?
Like last time I was here.
Really?
Yeah. It was kind of fun though. So we're going into Target, as you can tell. I'm in the Target. I'm like a hamster.
Where's that person?
Oh, like an avocado. Interesting. I think they thought it was Halloween.
Like screwed up or something?
I don't know. People are coming in with costumes on.
Huh?
I don't know. She screwed up.
I'm just gonna wait a second while
Pretty much. It's like so many people. Look at it, guys. Look at it. People after people after people. Took a room. Yeah, I can tell. You almost finished that whole thing. It's very comfortable.
Yeah?
But I probably pooped on it, so. Right, I'm gonna. Now's our chance. Guys, so many people are in Target. Oh my god.
Before we go.
Alright.
It says it's come in here to check. Well, it's not working right now. Do you need another bag or anything?
No. Because all we're really getting, we're probably getting one thing, but we might get two things. So, guys, I'm going to do a haul in the car. I think I need lotion. So.
Soda all at once. Melon Barbies.
Candy apple. I have an idea. No, not the store. Their glitters here are so expensive, but so pretty. Like, I love. Their glitters here are so expensive, but so pretty. I love their glitters. I'm waiting till the people are out of the aisle because they're like crowding the whole aisle. Yeah. It's great. They have like these glitters, guys. I love these glitters. Comments. Look at. They're fluffy. I'm just gonna run in and grab a thing and then walk out. Oh, never mind, I can't. Oh, those things are so expensive. Yeah.
Only $50.
No, those things are 300. No, they're different. They're so different.
Oh, 400. Oh, 350. What do they do though? They're an automatic vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah. We're ready.
They know not to.
Got it.
$100 for
That thing is $500.
400, 500.
All right, we're ready. I got it.
Okay. That's all you need is just gallons of milk.
Here, but like, I mean, I guess I can use some other stuff in there, right? Wait, bubble wrap for shit. Ooh, bubble. Dad, I also need shipping stuff.
Okay.
And it's right here. Like, you know, boxes.
Why, you gonna really sell it?
Yeah, like I'm getting a slime shop. Somewhere.
How do you figure? How much are they?
$1.
$2 a pop. You,
Is that too much?
no,
Then we're
I
done.
think there's an easier way to get this stuff. We'll go this route for now. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So 1,
I can put like some back.
3, 4, 5. How much is the glue?
I'll put 2 back. The glue's like 14, 13.
Alright, so why don't we do 6? It's half a dozen.
6, yes, a half a dozen is great.
What about you need tape?
Tape.
You gotta do packing tape thing.
Sure. Yeah.
Where's the gun one?
The gunny one, that one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, all right.
that's a contraption.
Yeah, this is easy. This is easy.
So, yeah, I'm gonna do a haul in the car.
It's over with.
Oh, that stuff just fell out.
Is that what you want?
Yep. Thank y'all. I'll carry the gallon.
I'll get the heavy. Can I carry this?
Yep.
I can get it.
Yep, I'll carry that.
I got it.
Okay, thank you.
That's it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yep.
Alrighty. Smoky, okey dokey.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm going to do a haul of this when I get home or in the car. So.
What about slime glue?